Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today I also discuss the continuation of AP from the books of the M.L. Agrawal, I.C.S.E. syllabus. So 2025, it's maybe very useful to the C.B.S.E board also. I just later discuss the C.B.S.E board. This is the R.T. Sharma and R.S. Agrawal. So let's today start the 9.3 exercise 9.3. Sum number is 3 1 3 1 3 1. One sum is if given, this is already given given a is 5, given a is 5, the data, if I write data, a is given, b is given, b is 3, and an is given, this is 50. Okay, find in and assign. Okay, clear? No problem. Don't be panicked to see the sum. You just remember all the formula. Concept must be clear. Confident in your mind. You do all this sum. A is given. D is given. An is given. Find n. N means number of term and Sn. So you know An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We know An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Just you put the value. An is 50. A is 5. First you find out the n. Okay. Clear? D is 3. So this is the n minus 1 and D is 3. Okay. So this is 50 minus 5. That is equal to n minus 1 into 3. So this is 45. 45 by 3. That is n minus 1. So this is 15. So 15 plus 1, that is n. So what is the value of n? 16. No problem. It's clear. What is the value of n? N is 16. In case of during the calculation, must be careful. Okay. If one place is mistake, the total sum will be mistake. Okay. Now, Sn. Sn is equal to, you just put the two way also. One is Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket twice a n minus 1 into d. Okay. N by 2 twice a n minus 1 into d. Clear? So here n is equal to 16. So 16 by 2 bracket twice a, you know, 5 plus n. N is 16. So 16 minus 1 into d. D is 3. So this is 8. This is 10 plus this is 15 into 3. 8. This is 10 into 45. So 8 into 55. 440. So this is the answer. Okay. In this way. Sn, you know n, you know a, you know a, this. Clear? So one way also, just I calculate this. Sn equal to n by 2 bracket a plus a. In this way you solve it or not? In this way you solve it or not? Sn, just say n is 16. A is first term 5. And what is the value of the last term? Actually, n is 16 to 50. So this is 8 into 55. Directly you put it. Okay. So this is very easier calculation and time will be very short to here. If you use this formula, no problem at all. But the time will be very short here. You just put, because you know Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. You know the value of n is 16. From there, a you know, and what is the value of the last term? N is 16. What is the value of the last term? Sum of this is 50. So l you put here, last term. Value of the last term. An is 50. Is clear? An, the value of the last term. Here is the 16 term. Last term value, this is 50. So first term is this 50. So this is 55. 55 into 8 is okay. So use this also if there is no problem. But it is very, here is the longer time take. Here is the shorter time. Clear? So now this is the next one. Clear? Okay. Clear. Now the next sum. I just solve the different way. Which one easier to you? You just solve it. Okay. Now this is also exercise 9.3. 9.3. This is the 3 sum number 2. What is this? A is 7. Given, actually all are given. Given A is 7. Okay. A 13. A 13 is 35. Okay. Find D and A's 13. A's 13. This is no problem. A is 7. A 13. Third, A 13 is 35. And find D and this. One very important thing, this A 13, what is the difference of A 13 and A's 13? This is very important. Very carefully you understand. A 13 is number of terms n. N is 13. Number of terms n. N is actually 13. And A 13 means value of the 13th term. Value of the 13th term. And A's 13 means sum of the all 13 terms. All 13 terms is summed up. That is the value. Sum of the all 13 terms. Or sum of the all 13 terms, তার value is 13. And A13 means only the value of the 13th term. 13 term এর ভ্যালুটা কত? Is okay? আর 13 is the n. Clear? So now you know an a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay? Clear? Very easily you calculate. A13. This is A13. N is 13. A13, that is 35. That is equal to A. A is 7 plus N is 13 minus 1 into D. So what is this? So this is 35 minus 5, 7. That is equal to 12D. This is 28 by 12. That is D. So what is the value of D actually? This is 7 by 3. So this is the value of D. D is 7 by 3. D is 7 by 3. Is clear? D is 7 by 3. And what is the value of S13? That is n by 2 bracket A plus L. N by 2 you know. N by 2 n is 13. 13 by 2. What is the value of the first term? 7. what is the value of the last term? Actually 35. Okay, so this is 13 by 2, that is 42. So you cut off, this is 21. So 13 into 21. 13 into, so 21, and this is 13. So this is 13, this is 26, 3, 7, 273. That is equal 273. This is the answer. This is the 273. 370. Okay. So find the value of D is this. Find the value of S13. This is this. Okay. Clear? Very important thing. What is the difference of A13 and S13? A13 means the value of the 13th term, and S13 means total value of the sum of the total value, sum of the total 13 terms. Okay, that is clear? Okay, thank you. So if you just understand this, please share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thank you today. Thank you, student.